We all know of the lush green forests, the forests that we consider as the lungs of the earth. But did you know that beneath the vast plume, the crashing waves, the element that covers 70% of the earth, there lies a forest under the sea. Coral reefs cover only 0.09% of the oceans, but are responsible for half the oxygen that we breathe. These reefs are animals and a habitat in themselves, supporting a myriad of human and ecological systems. In India, the major reef formations are found in the Andaman Nicobar group of islands, Lakshadweep Islands, Gulf of Mannar, Park Bay, and Gulf of Kutch. One of the reef patches of Gulf of Kutch is located on the edge of a small village of Mithapur, Gujarat. Coral reefs here have been home to a variety of animals, ranging from cephalopods, arthropods, reef fishes as tiny as the blenny, to the biggest fish on earth, the whale shark. These habitats have been under pressure and threats due to the Anthropocene. This habitat, this home, lives and thrives on the edge, an edge of collapse. Despite these challenges, the corals have managed to survive in small numbers and sparse distributions. The Wildlife Trust of India has been aiming to re-establish these intricate habitats. To understand how the corals are faring now in the region, a research was conducted. The study emphasized on the bleaching and the damage to the reefs of Mithapur. Due to excess nutrition in the water, the place has been overtaken by macroalgal growth. This bloom of macroalgae has changed the habitat drastically. This change has taken away the fishes, the beauty, the life, and the sustenance of the local people. But there still lies hope. The opportunity to conserve still lies in the support and awareness of local NGOs and communities. As sea forms from drops, reefs are formed from tiny polyps of hope.